Hey, welcome to GT Canada. Today I got a special surprise for you guys. I got this crazy monster of a machine that I want to show you guys. So check this out. Why don't you tell us about this thing? Tell us everything you know about it.
So this is pretty much everything I know about it.
Okay,
It's
so what is this?
600cc sport bike engine.
Okay.
Where it's from, honestly unknown. Could have been an array of bikes that got destroyed. They've mated it with the old gearbox. This is the old GATOR gearbox. They've got these two tiny little, like up here it's just the normal gear, and back here is like just one they've added on. They obviously didn't have enough space for a full-size gear, so they just went with a small one, which is why you can do donuts all day, but you're not breaking any quarter-mile records. But yeah, it's been crudely put together. That's the old fuel pump that's vacuum actuated, but you don't create any vacuum, so you start pumping it in. So they've got this hose here that you can create your own.
You suck on
vacuum.
it?
Yeah, and then that's your prime pump. You're the prime pump.
Really?
Put it on there and you're good to go.
And then the controls, they just kept
they kept the whole handle welded it to a piece of rod.
Yeah.
And they thought they were smart by adding all these springs. Really, it just makes it looser, so you don't have any crisp shifting. But they've got the rad down here, so you better be moving fast. Otherwise, it's gonna overshoot.
Oh yeah.
Or you know, it's a great winter one. You can just tool around on the frozen lakes, do donuts all day. Stud the tires if you want.
So what's the fastest you've got this going?
The fastest? Well, unfortunately, it was on a gravel road, so I hit a speed where you can barely hold on because you're bouncing around everywhere. But it went to about 45.
Kilometers?
Yeah,
It's all right.
it's not bad, but as you can see, there is absolutely no suspension.
Yeah.
It's just a fixed axle. Straight to it. So you could deflate the tires and get a little bit of cushion, but I don't think that really matters. But yeah, because you got the old gearbox, you got the old forward reverse control that, you know, one day somebody who's actually going to use it might actually be able to finish that linkage up. And then you got all the conveniences right up at your fingertips.
Right. And is the gas pedal hooked up?
Yep.
Or is it?
Gas pedal's hooked up. So it's down here, same as the old one. They just actually hooked the cable to it and run it on the same grommets it would have ran through the bike.
Oh.
So it pulls the same as like a throttle cable. Nothing's changed over here. In all reality, you could probably just take this and put it back into a bike. They haven't really changed anything to make it better.
No.
They just added it to this.
Yeah, so this is an absolute ghetto install.
Yep.
But it looks, they cared about their welding a bit. I mean, they'd cut 45s, they grinded those edges there.
They were worried they were going to rip things apart. So want to hear it?
Yeah.
Pretty much warm, so I don't have to choke it, but
That was the cold idle.
yeah.
Alright, well, let's see it go.
Gotta put it in reverse first.
So to put it in,
this might be a convenience issue, but not an issue for me. Want some donuts?
sure.
Pack of 12?
Yeah.
It's a little hard because there's no suspension in the back. A lot of bumping.
it's not spinning.
In second. First.
You got it? Where's the kill switch?
What's that?
Where's the kill switch?
Oh, right here.
I better just shut it off. And it'll probably just pop right in.
I wasn't the fabricator of this linkage system, so it when you're trying to go put it in the first.
It looks like it's got a lot of flex.
Yeah.
A lot of flex to it.
Yeah, there's a ton of flex. Yeah, I had it in second gear for the first attempt there, so I just wanted to lock up.